What's up, guys? So today we're working on 2022 Sienna, and I will show you how to replace airbag module. I happen to have the seats out, so it makes the job for me a lot easier, but you don't have to have them out. I'm gonna start removing these plastics, these right here, and I gotta pull them out. See, there's no clips or nothing. I'm gonna pull out and bolt like this. See? There's the module right there. Alright, grab it aside. This is the good clip. So I just gotta pull it out gently. And this will probably better to come out. 1 second. This comes out. The bottom piece comes out. There's clips right here. You gotta press. You gotta press this right here. There you go. Another one right there. You gotta kind of press it with a finger or there's a screw right there. Another screw right there. Press right there. And there's one more. There's like a thing that you gotta pull, see? A second. Okay. There's our module. This part. Look at that. Now you can just simply pull this vent out. Here's your one bolt. Your plugs right there, you gotta press them. Up top there's the notch. So you have an idea what they open like. See, you press this little notch. You can use your nail or flat screwdriver or the things for the clips. Right there. You press this thing and it opens up. And the same one on the other side. And then you got 3 bolts. One is right here and 2 on the other side. Just to let you know, there's 3 plugs. You want to start from the driver's side. You pull one out first, then you put the middle one out, and then you put the third one on the passenger side. There's 3 of them. I'll pull the computer out now so I can actually get to this bolt. Because you couldn't, before you couldn't really put any ratchet or anything on it because the plug was in the way. So, the little quarter drive with the 12. It's the best fit in here. Alright, as you can see, there's 3 plugs. And there's 3 things. You pull it out through this way. And that's what you want to use. 1/4 inch, 12 with the short socket. You pull this out, a little bit gently bend it, you get this computer on the passenger side.